Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something a little different but super exciting, DIY projects for developers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, working on side projects can be a fun way to sharpen your skills, try out new technologies, and even build something you can use in your day-to-day life. So what kind of DIY projects can you create as a software developer? Let's jump into some ideas that will help you learn and grow. Project 1, Personal Portfolio Website. One of the best DIY projects to start with is building your own portfolio website. This is essential for showcasing your work and skills to potential employers or clients. Use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create a simple, clean design. If you're more advanced, you can experiment with React or Vue.js to make it interactive. Project 2, Home Automation System. If you're interested in the Internet of Things, IoT, why not create a smart home system? Using platforms like Raspberry Pi or Arduino, you can program your devices to control lights, security systems, or even your coffee machine. This project will let you explore both hardware and software integration, giving you a hands-on learning experience. Project 3, Build a to-do list app. A classic, but for good reason. Creating a to-do list app helps you practice essential programming concepts like CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations. Use JavaScript for the front end, Node.js for the back end, and store your data in MongoDB or MySQL. Plus, it's a tool you can actually use to keep yourself organized. Project 4, Automate a daily task. If you find yourself repeating the same tasks over and over, like sending emails or updating spreadsheets, automate it. Write a simple Python or JavaScript script to do the job for you. Not only will this save you time, but it also teaches you how to think about efficiency and productivity through code. Project 5, Weather App. A weather app is another excellent DIY project to try. You can fetch real-time data from APIs like OpenWeatherMap and display the current weather and forecasts for any city. Plus, you can practice working with APIs, which is a valuable skill in web development. Project 6, Build a chatbot. Interested in artificial intelligence? Create a chatbot that can respond to basic queries using Python libraries like Chatterbot or Dialogflow. This project introduces you to natural language processing, NLP, and how you can make machines understand human language. Project 7, E-commerce store. Feeling ambitious? Why not build your own e-commerce store? You'll need to handle front-end design, back-end development, and even payment gateways. Use React or Angular for the front end and Node.js or Django for the back end. This is a great project to include in your portfolio, and who knows, it might even turn into a real business. Project 8, Personal Finance Tracker. Create a personal finance tracking tool that helps you manage your budget. Use Python or JavaScript to build a simple dashboard where you can enter your income, expenses, and savings goals. This is a practical project that can help you in your daily life while improving your coding skills. Project 9, Social Media Dashboard. Create a dashboard that pulls data from social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook using their APIs. You can display follower counts, engagement metrics, or even trending topics. This project will help you understand how to work with external data sources and APIs. Project 10, Blog Engine. Build your own blog engine from scratch using a framework like Flask or Django. You can add features like user authentication, commenting, and post categorization. This is a great way to practice full-stack development. The best part about DIY projects is that you get to choose what you work on, and you can adapt these projects to fit your skill level. Whether you want to focus on web development, automation, or IoT, there's always something new to learn. So, if you're looking for ways to level up your skills while building something cool, give one of these DIY projects a try. And don't forget to subscribe for more episodes like this.